welcome back to another video. Today I have with me Jay. The light just turned off in the other room. No, because our lights are on. No.
Well, we're still filming, right?
Alright, well, we're still rolling. So, today we're going to be playing Fixer Upper, which means we will both make a slime and we'll have to make it the worst slime we can possibly make. And then we will have to switch slimes with each other and we'll have to fix it. Whoever fixes the slime the best wins. Alright, so let's get into it. Guys, so let's get started. Ready, set, go! Woo!
We don't have time left on this.
I'm just gonna do a small slime because, you know.
Oh, it's on my result. I'm gonna.
The shaving cream is almost out. Let's see if I have another one. Yep, I have another shaving cream, so. Okay. I've never actually done. I just made this before, so I was making this, so I just make sure that. But okay.
Oh my god, the other
I feel like I love my texture, but I'll do it. Ew, that's okay. It's not okay. Oh, this is so cracky. This is a shaving cream. And I forgot to use ingredients to make our shaving slime, so I'm helping. Use like. Okay. You understand what I just did. Oh, Jay. I made this. I used to only make slimes like this. Like, I have too much shaving cream. The ratio of blue shaving cream. So often I'm always like this. Or do you? I'm sorry.
Yeah, I don't. I really don't.
You don't know what you're in for, like, you don't understand this slime.
I gotta add some hair gel.
Literally, it's not even picking this stuff up.
Might be a little bit too much hair gel. What do you guys?
30 seconds!
We have 30 seconds. We have a time limit.
Go, go, go! 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 19.
You never even said 20.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14,
No, I made it a good slime.
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. All right, here's my slime, everybody. The beads are coming out on my hands. It's just not good. So we're gonna put our slimes in the bowl. We're gonna clean our hands off and switch slimes. All right, guys. So I just cleaned my hands off. Jake already got slime on the counter. So yeah, I'm gonna switch our slimes. I'm all done. Don't come to me, you're dirty. Okay, so.
Ooh, I like that. That's weird. I like everything about how it's not even.
There's literally nothing wrong about this slime.
I know, that's what I said. I made it go. It's just underactivated.
Okay, so we're gonna have a 30-second time limit to fix our slimes. So yeah,
Barely anything bad.
ready, set, go! 29, 28,
Smell.
27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22,
It smells so
21,
bad.
20, 19,
You slowly.
18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13,
I don't know how to fix slimes.
12,
I'm just guessing.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up! The camera is off. Okay. Alright, so here's the slime that I fixed.
Not really fixed, just added some time.
So I'm gonna try and get it out of the bowl.
This thing's so bad.
So here's the slime that Jake made and I fixed. His Franken slime. It's really weird, like he put so much cornstarch I can feel it, but it's kind of cool. It's just gonna mold really fast, so.
That's gonna be the bad thing about it for you.
It's like oobleck.
Okay, here's mine. You Haley.
Let's see if he fixed it.
Well,
They can see.
This is mine. This Haley's. This is mine. Haley made. I fixed. And it's stretchy.
Put it right there. Put
And
it up here.
stretchy, and I like it. Like, except it just needs to be a little bit more stretchy.
I wanna feel it. Switch
It got a little bit
back.
here. Here. Take it.
Stop. Jake!
Just take it.
Your slime is sticking to me.
Take it.
He actually fixed it pretty nicely.
I didn't even know what to use. I did use lotion and the styling gel.
Hair gel?
A little bit sticky, but
Dude,
everything else is good.
Your slime and my perfect slime.
A little bit too sticky. So I think mine was better.
So I agree. I think Jake fixed it better.
Yay!
But I think I won in making the worst slime. So, yeah.
Look at mine. I was just.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below some more video suggestions if you have any. And also, check out Jake's channel. It'll be linked in my description.
Squiddy 8 Plays. Fortnite streaming channel. It's really good. I'm telling you.
No.
If you don't go subscribe, then your house will be haunted tomorrow.
Alright. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Love you.